This is my Depuley Vanity mirror light. So this is a excellent, super bright mirror that you can really bring anywhere in the house where you want to do your makeup or just to get some extra lighting. So I've just powered it on. It's just a touch button at the middle, right near the base. And then you hit the M button to change through the different modes that are on there. So you can see it kind of will vary on the level of coolness or warmness when you flick through those different settings. I personally love the warmer setting. So you can see I'm just playing around with it. It is very touch sensitive. And then it also has a mode on there as well. If you hold that P button, you can modify the brightness or dim it or brighten it, which is really cool. Plus, I've just plugged in my phone charger at the side there. It's got a little USB port on there so you can charge your phone while you do your makeup right at the stand there with you. So it's not taking up any extra plugs, just a standard volt plug in there. And then there's also a little magnify light, as you can see there. Really love this item. Check it out.